What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So we're going to do a market structure update for Tesla. It looks like since my last analysis was on Monday, and you can see that price sold off ever since then. Came back down to almost fill in this gap completely to the 262 level. So we'll see if that gap will be filled. We'll keep an eye on it. So Tesla is still trading near the measure move target. So there was an impulse up, and you can see that there was a second impulse, and the target was met right at the 269, 268 level. Ever since then, price has been trading near it. You see when we reached the target, price tried to sell off. It bounced again at the 240 level, went up higher to stop out the shorts who were trying to pick a top or who were trying to be aggressive. Looks like, they stopped them out, barely made a new high, and it looks like we could be rolling over now. We'll have to wait and see. So we have those two measured legs up. We have a double top pattern coming into play potentially. And if I can connect the swings, it looks like we are trading near the resistance of this channel. So a lot of times, if we hit the top of the channel, price will work its way down towards the opposite side of the channel. So that's the most likely situation to play out. It's very rare for the price to just continue moving up from where we are currently on the chart because of the two legs up and near the resistance side of the channel. And especially after trying to make a new high, you see that price sold off immediately. So it looks like a double top. So I would say it's unlikely for price to continue higher from where we are right now. Can it continue higher? It could, but like I said before, it's unlikely. I mean, are we going to do a very aggressive upward channel, this green one, right about now? Possibly, but like I said before, I think it's much less likely than the opposite, which is for price to probably continue correct, either sideways or downward. So if we can correct downward, then where would be a potential bottom? I would say probably back to this level right here. This 210 level looks to be a key support / resistance level in the past. It looks like a level that was tested numerous times. So if price does continue to drop down lower, then that's where price can go to. And that coincides with the opposite side of the yellow channel. So that is market geometry working out very nicely. So here we could go higher. But this would be the most ideal place for price to go higher and start the next move up right about here. So we'll see if price can get there or not. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily chart. Now look at Tesla on the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So here we have the weekly chart, and I'm going to mark the all-time highs because that might come into play in the future, probably maybe this year. We'll have to wait and see. It's at the 414 level. And then I'm going to go ahead and mark this key level right here, right around that low 200 level. So on the daily chart, it was right around the 210 level. On the weekly chart, it's right around the 200 level. So give or take 5 to 10 points is this key support / resistance area, and price just broke right through it. So there's a good chance that we could be seeing a correction playing out fairly shortly. If I connect the swings, this downtrend was definitely in play. It was holding price very nicely. Price broke the opposite side of the channel, which can lead to a breakout on this side of the channel, which did occur. And now it looks like we're getting overextended. So a pullback is due, and I'm expecting a two-legged move down, maybe back down to the 200s, low 200s, for higher prices. So that would be the potential situation to play out. Very similar to what happened right here in the past, and even at the same price level. So you can see that right around this 260, 270 level, there was an overextension right over here. And we're currently getting an overextension right over here and at the same price level, like I said before, right around this 260, 270 level. And you can clearly see there was two legs down, back down to this black horizontal line at the 200 level. There was one leg down right here. Show that with the arrow. If I clone it, you can see the second leg started right over here, but the bulls were too strong for the bears, and the bears could not reach the target, and that's what led to this massive reversal higher. So just because I'm expecting two legs, it doesn't have to be two symmetrical legs, but I'm expecting a two-legged move down, or maybe even just one if it's really a strong push up off of this level. But two legs would be ideal because the market generally moves in twos. So I'm expecting the same type of pattern right over here to occur right over here, just because I've seen this type of situation play out before. We'll see if that occurs or not. I don't know what's going to happen on the right side of the chart. Obviously, if I cover it up, we don't know what's going to happen. No one does, but we can have a good estimate of what can occur, and from there you can expect some type of setup for a trade. So if the market plays out as you expect and it sets up as a trade, then that's when traders enter. So if we continue higher from here, then obviously there was no trade setup because price did not come to the area that we believe can act as a reversal point. So that's all I have for Tesla this week, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.